Hey friends, you are resting here today until I get my car mount figured out, but we are headed, I dropped the kids off at school. Now I am headed into my school and I'm going to show you the projects we've been working on. I think it's been like a week or so since we've been in the classroom. Here, let me get you back on my face. So I figured I'd show you like the progress on each project that we're doing. I thought that would be really cool, and some new organization that I'm doing in my classroom. I know there are some teachers among the subscribers, so I think it would be helpful for everyone. I like to get organized right before big breaks like the holiday break we're about to have in like 3 weeks or so. So I'm excited to bring you through my day as a teacher, and then afterwards we will see you on the way home. I'll show you what we're making for dinner and how I prepare for the next day. We left pretty early today. We've been taking a different way. I don't like using the highway just because I don't know, I just get so nervous driving this far and this long with the kids, and I just prefer to be on backcountry roads. It makes me feel more at home. Please drop down in the comments anything specific that you would like to see, and I will absolutely put those in these vlogs. I'm in the parking lot again, just chilling, you know how I do. I'm going to just sip my coffee here, and eventually I will go in. But here we go, more coffee, because I can never have enough.
I started my day off with 5th grade, but their paintings are drying. I will show you them later. I am taking some fishing wire and cutting it so the 4th graders can make their medallions. Fishing line is so inexpensive, and it is just like beading wire, and it works well for the kids. So here are their medallions. They use some metallic markers that I bought and colored on top of it when the clay was done drying. And then here are some of the beads that we are using. I will say that if you are choosing to use the fishing line, I would go for a 10 or 20 pound fishing line, just because the beads can get heavy depending on what kind that you are using. These are glass beads. So each child is making their own medallion here, and there's a lot of troubleshooting when it comes to beading with 4th graders, but we are powering through. So I'm going to go on my lunch break and glue back some of these pieces that were broken, but I think they came out really awesome, and we have one more class doing these and we shall be done. These are some of my favorites. They are just so beautiful. Now I'm taking my 1st graders outside. We are doing leaf studies.
Yep. That's okay. We're going to make them nice and big as our hands.
Oh, mine's not big.
As big as our hands, so they're nice and big for the tiger paper. Remember, our tigers are hiding. Don't go near them, just saying hi. Hey guys.
I am back inside for 3rd grade. They are doing some sewing. We are just learning the top to bottom little method that I made up instead of over under. We are sewing onto burlap, the Native American symbols that the Navajo tribe gave us. It's like a picture dictionary of symbols that they use to communicate with other tribes, and it's kind of like creating your universal language. So this is really fun, and the kids are learning some awesome hand-eye coordination, and they are choosing some really awesome colors. I think these turned out super cool, and I can't wait to mount them on some nice paper. For 5th grade, I believe I showed you how we aged the paper. We just kind of crumpled up some paper and then took some brown ink and painted on top of it, or you could use watered down acrylic paint. And then I just flattened them out, and then we cut them in the shape of an animal hide. A lot of kids chose buffaloes. And then they did their picture symbols on top, and then they outlined with white or black. It was up to them. We're going to have a little pretend fire and act out our stories and read them to one another with some hot cocoa and some apple cider, and the kids are super excited for that. And then I do have some clay pieces here that came out of the kiln. So we have some really beautiful blues that were glazed. And then we do also have some rainbow pieces in there. Some kids made them into mugs. They just were making sure to use the glaze that is safe for the dishwasher and to eat out of. You definitely have to make sure you're getting that before you give it to the kids and say, hey, go have a drink out of this. So I made sure that we had that. And I'm going to give these back to my students here, and I'm going to move on to organizing this paint drawer, so or cabinet, we shall say. On the top, I have some large tempera paints, but on the bottom, I need to go through and see what's empty in here and what's dried out. I wasn't here last year. I was having Delilah, so I had a substitute, and I'm not sure what happened in this area, but I am forever cleaning it up. And now I'm going through my printmaking inks. I have some brayers on the bottom, but I have some ink that's dried out. I'm going to attempt to add some olive oil or linseed oil to revive it and bring it back to life.
We got the goods and we're on our way home. The goods being the kids. How was your day? Was it good?
What is from Tanner?
You have a friend named Tanner. Was your day a good time?
Tanner's want food.
Oh, okay. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Joey, how was your day? You have a good time? You hear that? There's a grunt.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Wow! Yay! That's still cool, right?
We meant to do that.
Hey there, we're home now, and I'm making a pizza. I'm gonna make like a taco pizza. I don't know. It's just for me. The kids are mentioned on the leftover stuffed pepper soup, and what else do we have over there? Yes, we have that baked ziti, like the goulash that we made from the $10 meal challenge. We have leftovers, of course. Yeah, so it's just like a personal pizza. I'm gonna top it with some black beans, corn, vegan cream cheese, vegan regular cheese, and then some, I don't know if I have vegan sour cream. We shall see. If not, I'm gonna make a cashew sour cream, which is just cashews blended with some hot water and a little bit of lemon juice, some salt in there, but it's really easy. And then we're gonna do some tomatoes and arugula on top and call it good.
Can
you say hi?
Hi.
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 Hi, guys.
say? Did you get some pigtails? You get your hair done at school? Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Can you blow kisses? Oh, so sweet. What are you doing? Stealing cheese?
Yeah.
Are you stealing cheese, you goober?
Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying.
I will leave the full recipe typed out down below, but it's kind of a hodgepodge of what we have in the refrigerator. So I'm just spreading some cream cheese on here. It's pretty hot, so I just end up putting a knife in there to stab it. And then I do some salsa. And then I also put on some black beans and corn and taco seasoning. I'm going to top it with some Miyoko's cheddar shreds and then put it in the oven at 425 for around 15 minutes. And then I'm going to top it with some crema. I'm just mixing the Forager vegan sour cream with lime juice. And then I just put it on top of the pizza with green onions.
Hey, are those my shoes? Look at you. Whoa, whoa, goodness. Delilah. You silly.
After the kitchen is prepped for tomorrow morning, I have been rolling the kids' outfits. So I either do like 3 or 4 at a time, but I put a pair of pants and a shirt and then socks in there. And then I roll it up and put it in their dressers. They're both sleeping right now, so I'm just going to leave it on the table here. But that just makes it easy just in case I need to ask Wilder to grab an outfit, or if I need to ask my husband to grab an outfit. Everything is already there, and it makes things go pretty quick in the morning just in case we are running late, which generally happens. So I think it's been really helpful. I will keep you posted on if we switch this method, but so far so good. If you watched yesterday's vlog, you saw that I glued down this bag to the frame, and now that it's dry, I'm just cutting off the excess with a sharp knife. So I'm just carving into the sides here and peeling off the excess, and then I will show you how it turns out. Right now I don't have the shelves up, so I'm just putting it in the living room on one of like the side table stands, but I will show you what it looks like here. I think it came out really awesome. I'm not one for words during the holidays, but I just wanted to switch it up and see if this would look cool. So I think it turned out awesome, like I said, and I'm just pairing it with a little candle here, but it is up to you on how you want to display this. I'm going to end today's vlog right here. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. We will see you tomorrow. Bye everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day.